In the next question, it's given that for the system A plus B giving 3C, if A molar is the concentration of each of A and B initially in the closed container, then which one of the following relationships exists between A, B, C concentrations and A? So the system given is A plus B giving 3C. If A molar is the concentration of each of the substance A and B initially in the closed container where C is not formed, then at equilibrium, let by the time when equilibrium is attained, X moles of A reacted with X moles of B to give 3X moles of C. So out of A moles, by the time when equilibrium is reached, that is at equilibrium, X moles reacted. So left over is A minus X. 1 mole reacts with 1 mole, so A minus X. 1 mole reacts with 1 mole to give 3 moles, so 3X. These are the equilibrium concentrations, since A is molar concentration. Then which one of the following conditions holds good? So we need to check each of the options, without which it is not possible to select. So therefore, let us take option A. Option A is given as concentration of A, that is A minus X, plus concentration of B, that is A minus X, is equal to 0 is given. So it is A minus X plus A minus X will become 2A minus 2X. So therefore, it cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, option A is wrong. Then what about option B? 3 of A, 3 times of A. A is what? A minus X. Plus C. What is C? 3X. That is equal to what? It is given in the option B as 3A. So do we get this 3A or not? We need to check. So it's from this 3 into A minus X is 3A, already plus 3X is there, and this is minus 3X. So 3x get cancelled and 3 is left over. So therefore the B option is right. But we need to verify once before going for the final option whether C and D are right or wrong. When 3A plus C is equal to 3A, what about A? Capital A is nothing but A minus X minus 1 by 3 of B. B is what? A minus X. What about this? A minus X minus 1 by 3 A minus X is not equal to A. Therefore, C option is wrong. Then what about D option? D option is given as A plus C is equal to 3A. Is it true? What is A we got? A minus X. What is C we got? 3X. What will be this? A minus X plus 3X will become what? A plus 2X. But what is given? 3A. Therefore, it is wrong. So D is also wrong. Therefore, the answer is B. 3 of A plus C is equal to 3A.